or in the Philippines?
I live here. Only Philippines.
Alright. Thank you very much, Kuya. And last but not the least.
Yes, come on, Kendra.
Alright,
Come on,
go
Kendra.
ate.
Hi, my name is Kendra. My name is Kendra and I'm 9. What am I going to say?
Okay.
Okay, you're 9 years old. Okay. Is he your brother? My annoying brother daw. Okay. Same question with them. What do you love about the most about your annoying brother?
Nothing.
Why?
He keeps screaming.
What about your mommy and daddy?
I love my mom's cooking and I love.
Come on.
Yes, go.